At this very moment, the Tampa Bay Lightning are on their way to Colorado. The team took off a few hours ago after an early morning practice at Amalie Arena.
We're doing it again, folks. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser was there as fans wished the team luck on their way to defend the Stanley Cup.
With signs in hand and lots of cheering, the Lightning faithful made their presence known at Tampa International Airport this afternoon.
Just to show our support, send off our guys with, while we cheer them on, just to let them know that we're here and, we still believe and we have just as much hope as they do.
I come out extra early to set up all the signs. I just really want them to know that they're appreciated and loved.
Fans had gathered earlier in the day over at Amalie Arena, where the team held a final home ice practice before heading over to Denver. Some of the players were even good enough to stop by for pictures and autographs.
Thank you, Sergi.
We won it in 04 and 7. We won it 2020 and 6. We won last year in 5. We got this.
Fans who truly have their heart in it say it's not easy being the distant Thunder. They wish they could be in Colorado cheering for the team.
They're on to the Stanley Cup final.
And it's mutual, say players, who love the energy that comes from playing in front of the home crowd. But they know that to bring home another Stanley Cup, it means having to win on the road, too.
Would I want them to be full of Tampa fans? Heck yeah. I'd be delirious to not want it, but to be honest, we're just going to have to go through it.
No matter what, win or lose, we believe. That's just how passionate we are.
So the players say, another tough part about playing on the road, especially in Colorado, is the altitude there. So by getting there a couple of days early, having a few practices, they think it'll help them get used to that thinner air. Here's a look at the Stanley Cup final schedule here. The first 2 games, they are away in Denver. That starts on Wednesday. Game 2 on Saturday. Then our back-to-back Eastern Conference champs will come back home to Amalie next Monday for Game 3. Did you hear that? We're doing it in 4.